Catastrophes in the U.S. are driving those losses. Contessa Brewer is at the table this morning. She joins us with an exclusive first look at catastrophe costs in 2025.
Good morning, guys. Nice to see you. $107 billion. That is the estimate from Swiss Re Institute for insured losses from catastrophes around the globe this year. 83% of those losses happened in the United States, with the LA wildfires becoming the most expensive wildfire event in history. Severe convective storms with wind, hail, and tornadoes are also driving the losses. And Swiss Re points out prevention, protection, and preparedness are crucial. Insurers are really sharpening their focus on mitigation, the ways that customers can lower their own risks, whether it's clearing brush and trees from around properties in wildfire regions or building better where hurricanes threaten.
When hurricane wind gusts hit 110 miles an hour, a 2x4 can become a spear, and standard plywood can't withstand that force. But increase the thickness of the wood by ½ an inch and watch. Helpful to know if you're boarding up windows ahead of a storm. Convective storms that produce fierce wind, tornadoes, and hail have become increasingly costly in the U.S. Building materials matter. FM employs 2,000 engineers who work with their commercial, industrial insurance clients. At FM's Rhode Island research campus, engineers use hail cannons to test roofing materials and solar panels to see which withstand the impact.
Those panels, when put on the roof of a client facility, will be resilient.
In the burn lab, teams test whether a client's facilities have adequate fire protection. Look what happens when there's no sprinkler. Or they assess cleaning processes because even dust can be explosive. Companies then use the information to protect their facilities and inventories from catastrophic loss.
I'd rather our clients put that capital into risk mitigation than paying it to me in premium. Because in the long run, the trade's going to work out very well for both of us.
And across the industry, insurers are really pushing customers to invest in their own resilience. That can result in meaningful savings on premiums. In fact, USAA's CEO told me last week that they've contacted 3 million members this year alone to push for more mitigation. And a company like Hippo offers a comprehensive package of smart home equipment to its customers. They have shutoff valves for water leakage and surge detection, remote gas shutoff. And what they have found is that it really lowers the kind of catastrophic damage, the big money claims that otherwise might result.